you going, Jack?
Big Beer Gaming.
We're at the freaking end of the world, bro. Where the fuck you expect to go, huh? Hell yeah, I'm the captain now.
Right then, Mr. Sora, the helm is yours, provided you pass muster.
Huh?
See that island there with the two peaks? Prove you can reach that.
Oh,
And
we'll
open sea
prove
is
it.
yours.
Oh. Aye, aye.
Let's get him. Oh, we're gonna actually drive this thing? Damn, they didn't do that before. Fire cannons. Alright, shit.
Jack said to head for the island straight in front of us.
Well, let's go then.
Sails out, mateys.
Bam. Ah, bam. Why aren't we going full speed? Huh? What's that about? Now, what's this island all about, Ian? Oh! We have some enemies. Let's swiftly take care of these, eh?
There's heartless on those ships.
Bye-bye. Easy. Easy. Let's go left. Hard left. Hard left, matey. Bam. Ah, easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Yeah, yeah.
So, we do have a destination, right?
I can't tell anymore.
Chat is just making it up.
Cast your fate with Jack Sparrow, and you'll soon be sharing in the wrath of Davy Jones.
She is so cool, man.
The guy Will mentioned? Who does he think he is, anyway?
She's so swaggy, man.
And what did Jack ever do to him?
Truly, you don't know who Davy Jones be, and you say you be men of the sea.
Let's put it this way. We're from another sea.
I now. Jack and Davy Jones' fate be intertwined. Jones, him raised Jack's